How to log in Ubank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Ubank account. For this, open the Ubank app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened this application, if you do not have an account, you can tap on the sign up option in order to sign up into Ubank account. For this, you will have to fill up these details. Once your account has been created and you want to log in, tap on the login option. Now enter your email address or mobile number. Then tap on the next option. The next step is security check. Here, you will have to choose a way to verify your account. For that, you can use your online banking password, debit card, or secret question. You can select whichever option you want. If you select online banking password, you will have to enter your password over here. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the reset password option. Once you have entered it, tap on the next option, and if all of the details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Ubank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.